Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanna thank you guys for looking at the my videos. It's really good to see that people is watching those videos, and if it's helping you, great. And please don't forget, just subscribe to the channel. It's very important for me. Also like the videos that you see. Make a comment. Make a comment. You think that I probably did it the wrong way. It's good to see those comments, because most of the time we're just trying to make it work, and in some cases it's the best we can, or at least the ones I can. So thanks again for watching the video. Continue to watch them, like them, subscribe. Today I wanted to create a video about taking the rear wheel. Unfortunately, as you can see the way I place the motorcycle, first thing I probably should do is take the chain, the front sprocket, and do it that way. But since I have it this way, I'm gonna start this side. There are a couple of things that I wanted to do here before I move the motorcycle, and I guess it's worth just doing it this thing first. We have a couple of things here. We have this is some kind of a trailing arm that it helps to keep the parking brake in place. The other one is the lever for the rear brake, and we have to take those two, which seems pretty easy. I only see two things holding it, and that's really it. We might have to just take this a little bit. So let's just start working on it. All right, as I said, we can start going now. We have this. This is a simple, in this case, I don't know if this is something from factory or not. This is a little clip. You can see the clip. It is a, I don't know what kind, it's like some kind of a clip. Is it a clip? Yeah, it's like a pin. So the good thing about this pin, what happened, is that it keeps this from coming out. So that's all it does. So we're gonna keep it on the side. That's more. Just take this out. We have a nut. We have a washer. We have some kind of bush in here. Oh, something is moving on behind here. There you go. So this is what we have. We have this from the back. We have a little bushing, like a plastic. No, this is like rubber washer. Then we have the washer. That it goes very tight, as you can see. And then we have the nut. And after that, the little pin, cotter pin, that it can keep it, that it will keep it in place. I'm gonna put this on the side. So we have one out. Now the next one. Next one is pretty simple. So let's take the whole thing out. Yep, sounds like a good idea. Well, that's the way I'm gonna do it. As I said in my initial video, if you think you can do it a different way, please let me know. Just so then when I put it in the back, I'll know what I'm doing a little different. Okay. This is a 14. And let's see what we got here. There you go. So we have this thing like this. There you go. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna put it back here the way it is. You see how this thing looks like? So we're gonna put it back so we don't lose any of this. And now we don't have to fight with the alignment. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, and most likely it's gonna be a number 10. Yes, it is a number 10. And we're gonna lose it here. As I said, it's probably between the 3rd and the 4th, so we're just gonna lose it a little bit so this thing will come out easily. I don't know what's behind here. We'll find out. So most likely we have to hold this somehow from here when we lose the other side. Okay, let's continue to take the wheel. Now we move the motorcycle in that way. Usually leave not a lot of space because I don't know how long this thing is gonna be here parked. So we take the cotter pen, and this is in place. So when the castle nut, I'm just gonna call it castle nut. I think that's the name. I don't know. You guys tell me. It's a castle nut. It stays in place. So then this one will be easy to get out. You most likely have to put it in the right shape. There you go. And then we have to just, all right, let's lose this one a little bit. A 10. There you go. This is what keeps them so almost in place. It's in the other, same thing in the other side. Is there's a little line here that is showing me that this is between the 3rd and the 4th line. It's right in the middle, so it will be nice and straight. Now we take this out. To take this out, I don't know. Let me see. I will think it's probably probably a 21. I think like a 22. Oh. Nope, this is 21 and didn't work. 22 maybe? Yeah, a 22. So this is a big one. I'll probably use this. I shouldn't be using this because I'm gonna use an impact gun, but it's gonna be a little. There you go. And I moved it. There you go. So now we have this thing loose. Because now we can just, I don't even know what to expect here. I don't know what's here. Probably lose it here. There you go. So now you guys see what it is. I'm just gonna turn it down. And we most likely have to take this whole shaft out. Right, then we put the, we move it forward. We take the chain, and we're probably gonna talk about the chain later on. And that's really it. Look, it's all loose. I guess I'll take this out. Show with here. So we pushed it here, and then it started coming out through here. So it's likely coming out this way. We can get more. Nope, I don't know if you guys think that this is me being a completely expert. No, I'm not. I'm just following my instinct. All right. Yeah, but it's coming out. So we just have to keep hitting it. Well, here, I don't know if I want to hit it. It has to be very. And it's coming out here. Yeah. See, I have an idea. What if we just hit it with something in the middle? Yep, it's probably the best way. Yep. who knows? All right, so this one came out. I don't see any left or right, a right or wrong way of like top or bottom. I don't know. I know this one went like this. You can see the marks, but we can leave it here so we don't mix them up. All right, let's see what's in the other side. Let's put it here. All right. So, yes. So here we take this bolt out, like a huge bolt. What we have here is the same thing from the other side. A big bushing, right? That it seems to be a really huge bushing, and this thing is really big. And well, that's really it. Leave that on the floor. And then we can just take it out. There you go. I guess that was good enough. Oh, we probably need the seal. Oh, you see, every time you start opening stuff, you need more things. So there's a bushing here. There's a little seal here. Just on this side. Here's the brake. Yep, those are the brakes. You can see the bushing there. That seems to be pretty. Maybe you just clean it and put it back. I don't see any problem with those brakes. They look pretty good. But this side, we're most likely gonna need this. All right. Well, for now, we just put it on the side. I want to clean it though. So to clean it, it'll be easy to get into this little places. All this where the chrome is all pitted. Hopefully, we'll clean that pretty good. We might have to take the wheel out. I mean the tire. But that's another project, I guess. We can do this. Roll this out.